Attention, Wanderers. The following is a fully restored canonical data dump from the Major Explorer Group archives. We are cataloging entities 1 through 50. Some files are heavily trimmed or undergoing mandatory rewrites due to cognitive hazards. Keep your eyes open and don't let your guard down. Chapter 1. The Foundational Threats. Entity 1. The Humans. The baseline of the database. In the Backrooms, isolation brings out the worst in us. Desperate wanderers and ruthless factions can be just as lethal as any monster. Entity 2. The Windows. They look like an escape route showing a sunny day outside. It's a trap. A hidden, massive entity sits behind the glass, waiting to drag you into the void if you get too close. Entity 3. Smiler. A glowing, razor-sharp smile lurking in pitch-black rooms. Turn off your flashlight immediately, maintain eye contact, and back away slowly. Never run. Entity 4. Death Moths. Giant insects flying near light sources. Males are small and passive, but the giant females are highly territorial and spit flesh-melting acid. Entity 5. Clump. A horrific mass of tangled human limbs hiding in tight spaces. This file is currently trimmed, but the survival rule remains. If you hear wet, multiple footsteps in a vent, run. Entity 6. Dullers. Translucent, faceless humanoids that hide in your peripheral vision. They don't attack physically. Instead, they emit a frequency that drains your sanity and fills you with sudden despair. Entity 7. Jerry. A blue macaw bird. This entry is currently being rewritten because Jerry's true nature is a cognitohazard. Anyone who approaches him is brainwashed into becoming a fanatical, mind-controlled follower. Entity 8. Hound. Humanoids with long hair that run on all fours. They are vicious hunters. To stop them, you must look them directly in the eyes. The moment you blink or look away, they strike. Entity 9. Facelings. Humans with completely smooth skin where their face should be. Adults are peaceful and wander aimlessly. The child variants, however, are malicious and highly aggressive. Entity 10. Skin Stealer. Pale giants that eat human flesh and wear their victims' skin as a disguise. They mimic human voices perfectly, but their tone is completely flat and emotionless. Entity 10.1. Shroud Takers. A dangerous offshoot of the Skin Stealers. They don't just steal your skin, they steal your clothes, your identity, and your place within survivor groups to sabotage them from the inside. Chapter 2. The Surreal and the Mutated. Entity 11. Bursters. Bloated, pressurized humanoids. This file is open for a rewrite, but remember, hitting them causes a violent explosion of corrosive fluid. Keep your distance. Entity 12. Dunks. Aquatic horrors found in submerged levels. They hunt completely unseen beneath dark water. Never swim without a raft. Entity 13. Transporters. Shadowy, tall figures in Level 3. They don't hurt you. Instead, their touch instantly no-clips you into a random, highly dangerous negative level. Entity 14. Revieux. Sentinels made of old wood and rusted iron. They are passive, but they hate weapons. Holster your gear immediately, or they will crush you. Entity 15. Wretches. Wanderers who ran out of food, water, and sanity. They mutated into starved, aggressive ghouls. Keep your mind stable, or you will become one of them. Entity 16. Nuguithrixur. An abstract, non-Euclidean entity. You cannot see it. It exists as a cognitive parasite that warps your thoughts and makes you hear your own voice outside your head. Entity 17. Crawlers. Blind, multi-legged beasts that crawl along ceilings. They hunt purely by sound. If one is above you, freeze, hold your breath, and wait. Entity 18. The Beast Gentleman of Level 5. A massive, terrifying predator that curiously possesses formal, elegant manners. He stalks the corridors of the hotel, combining extreme lethality with a bizarre, unsettling politeness. Entity 19. The Disease. A sentient biological virus found in infected water. It turns your veins pitch black and takes control of your nervous system, forcing you to attack others. Entity 20. Skits. A highly volatile entity currently undergoing a complete rewrite. Avoid any shifting shadows that don't match the light sources around you. Entity 21. Anna. A unique, ghost-like entity manifesting as a young woman. She wanders level 4, occasionally giving cryptic advice to wanderers. Her origins remain entirely unknown. Entity 22. Warning kites. Floating, kite-like organisms currently under rewrite. They drift through open sky levels. If they change color, a massive level-wide threat is approaching. Entity 23. Unapproachable horse. A glitched, spectral horse. It is completely impossible to get close to it. The space around it warps, physically pushing you away the closer you try to walk. Entity 24. Death rats. Wolf-sized rodents covered in tumors currently under rewrite. They hunt in packs through maintenance tunnels, carrying a lethal, fast-acting infection. Entity 25. Plague goblins. Small, green-skinned humanoids that steal vital supplies from camps. They protect themselves by throwing vials of toxic, flesh-eating sludge. Chapter 3. The Wikidot anomalies. Entity 26. Samantha. A specific, sentient entity currently trimmed for safety. She displays high intelligence and can communicate, but her motives are deeply questionable. Entity 27. Athenian ducks. Bizarre, stone-textured waterfowl that display highly organized, pack-like tactical behavior. Do not underestimate them. Entity 28. The Spokeslady. A surreal humanoid entity that behaves like a corporate television presenter. She will endlessly pitch useless or dangerous products to you until your mind breaks. Entity 29. Blub Cats. Strange, gelatinous, cat-like organisms. They are mostly harmless and squishy, but touching them can cause mild hallucinations. Entity 30. Mother. A colossal, pulsing biological nightmare spanning across hidden sublevels. She is the hive mother that births thousands of clumps. Avoid her chamber at all costs. Entity 31. Camo crawlers. Variants of the crawler that mimic the exact pattern of the yellow wallpaper on level 0. They are virtually invisible until they strike. Entity 32. Animations. Two-dimensional, cartoon-like entities that have leaked into reality. They do not follow the laws of physics, making them chaotic and highly unpredictable. Entity 33. The King. A tyrannical, massive entity ruling over specific subsectors. It demands total submission from any wanderer who accidentally crosses into its domain. Entity 34. Dollface. A terrifying porcelain-faced entity under rewrite. It stalks wanderers in toy-themed or abandoned child levels, freezing whenever you look at it. Entity 35. Light guides. Floating orbs of light under rewrite. Some will guide you to safety. Others will deliberately lead you off a ledge or into a smiler's nest. Entity 36. Cannibal cuisines. a trimmed file detailing autonomous, trap-like restaurant setups that prepare food made from wanderers for other entities. Entity 37, Creepypasta Bird, a bizarre, text-glitched avian entity under rewrite. Its physical form seems to be made of corrupted database code. Entity 38, Humanoids, a broad, heavily monitored category of unclassified blank humanoids currently undergoing a massive database cleanup. Entity 39, Organoguns, biomechanical entities that look like flesh-based weaponry. They are highly hostile and can fire organic projectiles at incredible speeds. Entity 40, Reverse Defecation Bird, one of the most bizarre and physically disturbing anomalies in the entire registry. Its biological functions operate entirely in reverse, breaking all laws of nature. Chapter 4. The Deepest Logs. Entity 41. The Artist. An enigmatic humanoid entity under rewrite that paints hyper-realistic doorways on walls. Some are real exits, others are just solid concrete. Entity 42. The Memory Worm. A massive, ethereal serpent that swims through the air. Being near it causes your memories to unravel, starting with your name. Entity 43. Dracoliths. Ancient reptilian entities with skin resembling solid rock. They remain dormant for decades before waking up to ravage entire levels. Entity 44. Gossip Beacons. Strange radio tower-like entities under rewrite. They broadcast the secrets, fears, and locations of wanderers across the airwaves for monsters to hear. Entity 45. Chupavidas. A trimmed entry describing a thin, parasitic entity that literally drains the life force and vitality out of you, leaving you permanently exhausted. Entity 46. Lucky Cranes. Origami-like birds that drift through peaceful zones. Being near them provides a passive boost to your luck, making finding almond water much easier. Entity 47. Teddy. A seemingly innocent teddy bear that wanders abandoned rooms. If you pick it up, it attaches to your back and slowly drains your physical strength. Entity 48. Living Sheds. Autonomous structures that look like safe maintenance sheds from the outside. Once you step inside and close the door, the structure digests you. Entity 49. Corpus Vitus. A predatory, sentient vine composed of calcified human veins. It grows along the pipes, actively reaching out to puncture the skin of passers-by. Entity 50. The Numbed Man. And finally, Entity 50. The Numbed Man. A tragic, invincible entity that is entirely incapable of feeling physical or emotional sensation. He wanders the dark, endlessly searching for any stimulus extreme enough to make him feel alive again. If he finds you, he will try to use you to feel something. Database log concluded. If you want to survive the next archive update, hit that subscribe button and stay close to the light. Good luck out there, wanderers.